Hello and welcome to Dean's Yard. Right, this is a replacement review of my Ruger. Yes, so my original Ruger, okay, broke. It actually, I won't cock this, but it broke there. I think that's the lever that pushes the piston back. So that broke, okay, and took it back because it was still under warranty. And they gave me another one after near enough, 2.5 months. They couldn't repair the other one. It's a shame because the other one had 11mm dovetail in it, so I could put a red dot. So I'm going to have to put another one, ordered another one here. So what I'm going to have to do is put that one there, but need to cut it, otherwise it's not going to clear the barrel. And then spray it black because it's slightly rough, and then use JB Weld to put that on. Now this is going to be a review. It's different to my original Ruger. The cocking action on this one is really gritty. It feels like, you know, every time you cock it, you break the barrel. It sounds like something. It feels like something's going to break or something. It feels really rough. Seen online that this actually gets better with use, but you know, so far at the moment it's not a nice experience. The trigger is heavy. Now on the original one I said that the trigger wasn't heavy. This one is. It's kind of heavy, but I think you do get used to it. Okay. Shoots well. I'm not sure if I'm going to take these plastic covers off and fill them up with BBs again to give it some weight, because with this has got a bit of weight to it, and the red dot, that should you know, balance this, because it's still front heavy. You know, it does tip that way. So let's go through this quickly. Now all the buttons here, and that is all fake. That's for show. The only thing that works on this is the automatic safety, and even that feels a bit rough, you know. And I know it's cheap Chinese gun and stuff, I know that, but my last one, someone commented and said, well, you know, it's cheap and it's Chinese. But for 70 quid, I had lots of fun for many months. Over 30,000 shots through this. Not this one, the original. Okay, this is the replacement, as I keep saying. What I've actually done already, I've put grease in there in between the two rods. I mean, this is the guide rod, and the other one is the lever that charges up the cylinder or whatever, because I feel that they're really on the edge of touching each other. So, and I've put grease there as well, and already the paint's coming off, and I'm going to re-grease that. And I also put grease, can I show you there? So already that paint has come off as well. Yeah, so as I said, it's very gritty as you break the barrel, and the trigger is heavy on this one. I don't know if I got lucky in my original one. It's a shame, because so far, you know, it's not the same experience. So there you go. So I just thought I'd update you on my new or replacement Ruger MK4 by Umarex. Yeah, and can't wait to put this on. Gonna mark it all up, cut it, spray it, put a bit of JB Weld, as I said, and put another red dot on it, and hopefully the cocking action gets smoother as you shoot it, and hopefully the trigger gets lighter as well. So there you go, that's a quick review of my replacement Ruger. Just like to say that yeah, the second shout out challenge is coming soon. and we'll do that and call out some great channel names. And the third one is half full already, so you know there's still some places. If you want to put your name down, let me know in the comments below on that video. You can put them here if you want, or just email me or whatever. So anyway, if you like the video, please give us a like. Let me know your experience on this Ruger. Do you have the gritty cocking action? And if you did it smooth out after a while? And is your trigger still heavy? Yes, I can understand now, because when I had my original, I thought, what are they talking about? It's smooth as butter. But there you go. Nothing's the same. So, if you like the video, please give us a like. See you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.